Kale, what's up, bro? Hey, since Rose Louisa. Scale. It ain't. Kill Jackson.
It's time to kill that shit, bruh.
Hey, damn bitch, you can't hold me. When I was not, my nanny told me never let the haters got me when I'm making profits. Don't disturb me when I sleep and when I fuck, when I eat, when I wake up, when I bitch ready to suck my LFG. Now do you see what I mean? Bad bitches try to take my money and my Louis V. Long story, huh? You're so sorry, huh? Tom and Jerry, huh? That's what we're playing, huh? I look, people love my stuff. I got 'em hot 'cause I'm glowing. In college, got my diploma. I ain't got a job, I'm a owner. This is not a persona. So pop out and show ya. I got rather than soldiers. Oh, hold up, bang. Oh no, I ain't playing no game with them lane switching. Bitch, I'm getting money, so the brain said all the cool, bang. And you know the pain drips.